Revision worksheet 3 for class 10 exam. One question from each chapter of term 2 syllabus. The question number 1. I have taken the last chapter of the term 2. The question number 1 is, the table below shows the salary of 280 persons. The salary, number of persons, these are the class intervals and the frequency. Calculate the median salary of the data. Okay. This is the table, class interval and the frequency. Okay. For median, first I have to find the median equal to the formula of median L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Okay. The first find the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency, just add the preceding one. 49 plus 133 is equal to the 182. 182 plus 63, 245. Plus 15, 260, 266, 273, 277, 279 and 280. Okay. So here n equal to 280. N by 2 equal to 140. The median class is 10 to 50. This is the, because 140 is less than just class. The median class equal to 10 to 15. From here lower limit of median class is 10. L equal to lower limit. N by 2 is 140. CF, cumulative frequency just preceding the class, 49. Frequency of the median class is 133. This is the frequency. This one is cumulative frequency. And H, class size is 5. Class size, the difference between upper limit and lower limit. Put the values. L is 10. N by 2 is 140. Minus CF is 49. F is 133 into H is 5. L, 10 plus 140 minus 49 equal to the 91 by 133 into 5. Cancel by 7. Okay. The 7 we get 13 and here is 19. 10 plus 13 into 5, 65 by 19. So we get 10 plus, now divide by this, 19, 3 are not the 4s are 3.481. 3.421, not the 81, 2. The median is 13.421. Okay. Now question number 2. The question number 2 is from the chapter Combination of Solids. A solid piece of iron in the form of cuboid of dimensions 49 into 33 into 24 centimeters molded to form a solid sphere. What is the radius of a sphere? The volume of a sphere equal to volume of cuboid. Okay. The volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. And the volume of cuboid is L into B into H. 4 by 3. Pi value 22 by 7 r cube equal to 49 into 33 into 24. These are the dimensions of cuboid. Now r cube 3 into 7 cross multiply 49, 33, 24 and divide by 4 into 22. Now divide by 11 to 11 से काटेंगे. Now 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 3. So we get r cube equal to 3 into 3 into 3 and 7 into 49 and 7 into 7 into 7. Now cube root of this. We get 3 into 7, 21 centimeter. This is the radius of sphere. The question number 3, the angle of depression of the top and bottom of a 8-meter tall building from the top of the tower are 30 degree and 45 degree respectively. Find the height of the tower and the distance between the tower and the building. Question number 3. The figure. This is a tower, an 8-meter high building. Suppose tower AB and building is CD. The angle of depression of the top and bottom of the building. This is equal to 30 degree and 45 degree depression. Draw a line. Find the height of the tower. This is the height of the tower. And distance from the tower and building. Alternate angle. This angle is equal to this also 45 degree and this is 30 degree. Now in triangle ABC, tan 45 degree equal to AB upon AC. And 1 equal to H upon X. H equal to X. Okay. Next, in triangle E. In triangle BDE. BDE. Tan 30 degree equal to BE upon DE. And BE equal to H minus 8 or DE equal to X. Tan 30 degree 1 by root 3. Cross multiply. X equal to root 3 H minus 8 root 3. Put H equal to X or the X equal to H. H equal to root 3 H minus 8 root 3. Root 3 H minus H equal to 8 root 3. H common, root 3 minus 1. Now divide by 8 root 3 divided by root 3 minus 1 and rationalize the denominator by multiplying root 3 plus 1 in numerator and denominator. We get 8 into 3 24, 8 root 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 is 2. Cancel by 4. So we get 4 root 3 into root 3, 12 plus 4 root 3. This is the height of the tower in meters. Same, height equal to distance from the base. Therefore, x equal to 12 plus 4 root 3 meter. Question number 4. PQ is a chord of length 16 cm PQ of a circle radius 10 cm. The tangent at point P and Q intersect at point T. Find the length of TP. Find the length of TP. In this question given that PQ equal to 16 cm and PO 10 cm. Radius is 10 cm. PR, suppose this point is R. PR equal to half of PQ. And 1 by 2 of 16 equal to 8 cm. इट मीन्स पी आर इक्वल टू 8 सेंटीमीटर। अब इस ट्राइंगल में हम लोग पर पाइथागोरस थ्योरम यूज करेंगे। इन ट्राइंगल ओ पी आर, ओके, तो ओ आर इक्वल टू ओ आर स्क्वायर प्लस पी आर स्क्वायर इक्वल टू ओ पी स्क्वायर। ओ पी is hypotenuse, we have to find o r square. P r square is given that 8 square equal to 10 square. 100 minus 64 equal to 36. Therefore o r equal to 6 centimeter. Okay. Suppose angle P O R equal to theta. This angle equal to theta. Let angle POR equal to theta. Then in triangle POR, tan theta equal to PR upon RO, perpendicular by base, PR upon RO. PR is 8 and RO is equal to 6. Then tan theta equal to 4 by 3. Okay, so tan theta equal to 4 by 3 by tan theta. Now in this triangle OPT, in triangle OTP, tan theta equal to OP upon PT. The value of tan theta is 4 by 3, OP is 10, and find PT. PT equal to 3 into 10 by 4. 30 by 4 is 7.5 centimeter. Okay, the length of PT is 7.5 centimeter. The question number 5. Draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 5 centimeter which are inclined each other at an angle of 60 degree. How to construct? Draw a pair of tangents which are inclined at each other 60 degree. First we draw a diameter. Okay, AOB. Make an angle of 60 degree. Suppose this angle equal to 60 degree. By the construction, we get here 120 degree. From this point, make an angle of 90 degree. And from at angle A, at point A, make an angle of 90 degree. These are the two tangents intersect at point P. This is the construction of this question. The next question from the chapter arithmetic progression. Find the sum 4 minus 1 by n plus 4 minus 2 by n plus 4 minus 3 by n up to n terms. Find the sum of the series. This is the series. Break the series up to 4 plus 4 plus 4 up to n terms. यानी n times. n terms है तो n times 4. Now minus take common 1 plus n plus 2 by n plus 3 by n up to n by n terms. n terms. Okay. सीरीज को दो पार्ट में ब्रेक किए हैं 4 4 4 एंड माइनस कॉमन लेके 1 by n plus 2 by n and 3 by n so on. The 4n times the sum of 4n times is 4n minus. Thus this is the AP in which a equal to 1 by n, d equal to 2 by n minus 1 by n is 1 by n, and number of terms n. The sum of the series formula n by 2, 2a, 2 into 1 by n plus n minus 1 into d is also 1 by n. Okay. 4n, n by 2. Here is 2 by n plus multiply करेंगे n cancel 1 minus 1 by n. This is equal to the 1 by n plus 1. 2 by n minus 1 by n, 1 by n. Multiply n plus 1 by n. This is the n multiplied by n by 2. So we get n plus 1 by 2. Now subtract 2 into 4, 8n minus n minus 1 by 2. 2 का multiply there. And minus n minus 1. So we get 7n minus 1 by 2. This is the sum of the series of this. Next question. The next question from quadratic equations. At t minute past 2 p.m. the time needed by the minute hand to clock to show 3 p.m. was to be 3 minutes less than t square by 4 minutes. Find t. The last question from the chapter quadratic equations. At t minutes past 2 p.m. the time needed by the minute to clock to show 3 p.m. was found to be 3 minutes less than t square by 4 minutes. Find t. It means the time 2 p.m. past t minutes. Okay. And plus t square by 4 minus 3 times. Add, we will get the 60 minutes because 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. कितना टाइम होता है 30 मिनट्स. तो जितनी मिनट यहाँ पास्ट हैं और जितनी लेस हैं दोनों का सम इक्वल टू 60. टाइम फर्स्ट यू हैव टू राइट टाइम टेकन बाय मिनट है टू रन फ्रॉम 2 to 3 p.m. equal to 60 minutes. Okay. अब according to the question क्या बनेगा t minute past plus 3 minute less than t square by 4 equal to 60. This is the equation. Okay. Solve t plus 4t plus t square minus 3 into 4 12 by 4. It means 4 into 60. t square plus 4t minus 240 252. Now split by middle term. Now splitting the middle term we get the two factors 18t square minus 14t square. 18 minus 14 is 4 and 18 into 14 252. Now take t common. 18t minus 14t. Take t common. T plus 18 minus 14 t plus 18. The factorization of this quadratic equation is t plus 18 and t minus 14. The values of 2 t equal to minus 18 और 14. टाइम कैन नॉट बी नेगेटिव. लिखेंगे टाइम कैन नॉट बी नेगेटिव. Therefore t equal to 14.